Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We've got some breaking news. He calls for meetings, but only one person is allowed to speak in those meetings, and this is exactly like a dictatorial leader in Russia. His name is Putin. So that's the word coming in from Sharad Pawar against the Prime Minister and the BJP. Let's listen into what he has to say.
हल्लूच करण्यात आम्हाला सांगत असतात की दर मंगळवारी तिथं भाषाची बैठक असते भाजपच्या आणि त्या बैठकीमध्ये चर्चा नाही करत. लोकांना आपलं मत मांडता येत नाही. मोदी साहेब बोलणार, ते विचार मांडणार, ते ऐकायचे आणि सगळ्यांनी जायचं. दुसरा कुणालाही त्या ठिकाणी एक शब्द बोलण्याचा अधिकार नाही. याचा अर्थ आम्ही अलीकडच्या काळामध्ये रशियाच्या एका राज्यकर्त्याचं वर्णन वाचतो आणि तो राज्यकर्ता म्हणजे मी यांच्या पूर्ण रशियाचं प्रशासन, रशियाची शासन यंत्रणा आणि त्या व्यक्तीचं नाव पुतीन.
CNN News 18's Vinay Deshpande is joining us live on the broadcast. She's been tracking all the political updates from Maharashtra for us. Vinay, a very good morning to you. Please walk us through the response coming in from BJP over that Putin remark thrown by Sharad Pawar.
Well, we are seeing that not just the BJP but even the allies of the BJP have slammed Sharad Pawar for these comments. In fact, the BJP has said that it is only the fear of defeat that has made Sharad Pawar make such statements on public platforms. Now remember, yesterday Sharad Pawar addressed two public rallies, one in Amravati, the other in Wardha, and while he was speaking at his rally in Amravati, campaigning for an MVA candidate, that is when he spoke elaborately about this. In fact, he said that we are seeing how the BJP calls for a meeting, and when that meeting is called, there is nobody else who speaks in that meeting, only one person speaks, and these are the tendencies which are alike of a dictatorial person in Russia, and that person is Putin. So clearly Sharad Pawar there equating the Prime Minister with Putin. The BJP as well as the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde group have hit back at Sharad Pawar, saying that it was only the fear of defeat that was making him say such things about the Prime Minister, an institution which he has said he always respects. Back to you.
Right, Vinay, please stay with us. We've got some more political reactions coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at them.
आने वाले चुनाव में पराजय का डर श्रीमान शरद पवार जी को इतना सता रहा है और उस कारण हताशा और निराशा की वजह से वे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को तानाशाह शब्द के साथ जोड़ रहे हैं. शरद पवार जी, आपको अपने बेटे की चिंता होगी, आपके निजी परिवार की चिंता होगी, पर मोदी जी का निजी परिवार इस देश के 140 करोड़ लोग हैं. आपकी नजर में वो तानाशाह होंगे, पर इस देश की हर बूढ़ी मां, हर बूढ़ा पिता उनको अपना बेटा मानता है. इस देश की हर बहन उनको अपना भाई मानती है. इस देश का हर नौजवान उनकी तरफ एक आशा की रोशनी के रूप में देखता है.
शरद पवार साहब को तानाशाह कहकर 50 विधायक उनको छोड़कर चले गए, अजित दादा उनको छोड़कर चले गए. इसके पहले भी संजय राउत ने इजरायल के ऊपर टिप्पणी की थी, उनको इजरायल से माफी मांगनी पड़ी. ऐसे नहीं कि पुतिन के मानहानि करने से, उनका नाम खराब करने से शरद पवार साहब को भी रूस से माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी. अगर शरद पवार साहब रूस को छोड़कर और पुतिन को छोड़कर उनके खुद के पार्टी पर ध्यान देते तो शायद 50 विधायक उनको छोड़कर नहीं चले जाते.
Vinay, coming back to you, a couple of days ago, you spoke to Sharad Pawar exclusively. You also talked to him about NCP being split into half. What was his reaction? If you could just walk us through that. Also, the question that has now been asked from the BJP side about those 50 MLAs leaving his side and joining the BJP and Mahayuti in turn. And of course, about Ajit Pawar leaving his side as well.
Well, we've seen that Sharad Pawar in that exclusive conversation with CNN News 18 did not really say anything. The most important thing he said was that may it be Ajit Pawar, may it be Praful Patel, may it be the other senior colleagues who left him, they left fair and squarely because of the pressure of the central agencies alone. It's interesting because, the previous conversation that I had exclusively with Praful Patel, where Praful Patel had spilled several beans with respect to the kind of negotiations that Sharad Pawar had allegedly asked them to have with the BJP from 2014 to 2019 to become a part of the government. Sharad Pawar has said that, in fact, when the other colleagues came and spoke with him, they particularly told him that they were taking this step only because they were under the pressure of the central agencies, and that in fact he said that though these people whoever try to protect them or are at least promising to protect them after the elections, all those colleagues who have left him or have left Sharad Pawar will have probably will have to face a much severe consequence as compared to what they have been promised. Now this is a prediction that Sharad Pawar made while talking to CNN News 18. He also talked about Praful Patel, how Praful Patel had switched sides, but in fact a large part of his swanky residence in Worli in Mumbai has been taken over by the Enforcement Directorate, where the Enforcement Directorate has set up its own office. He has predicted that a similar kind of a fate awaits all of these colleagues who have left him. They will probably have to suffer more.
Vinay, I would request you to please stay with us. Apologies for interrupting you over there. We have BJP's Shaina NC joining us on the broadcast. Shaina ji, thank you so much for speaking to CNN News 18. Now the remark has again come in from the opposition side towards the Prime Minister. They are comparing him with the Putin. What would be your reaction?
I think it's very tragic because this is the Prime Minister of the entire nation, voted by 140 crore Indians, and this is a referendum of the voters. So when you have respected leaders like Sharad Pawar ji saying that, this is a comparison of Prime Minister Modi to Putin, it shows you a kind of mindset where they do nothing but criticize. This is the same Prime Minister that has touched the lives of 60 crore Labhartis by making sure they get the correct health schemes through Ayushman Bharat, Ujjwala, gas cylinders for 11 crores, 25 crores.